and welcome. My name is Dr. Peter Akonlabi, Assistant Cooperative Extension Specialist in Agricultural Application Engineering with the University of California Division of Agriculture and Natural Resources. And I'm based at the Kenya Agricultural Research and Extension Center in Palia, California. In this video, I would be talking about getting started with CitrusSprayEx. My objective here is to give you a quick overview of this expert system. The application opens with this screen, which gives you a brief welcome and instruction as to what to do. Click on any of these buttons to take you where you want to go. CitrusSprayEx is designed to assist in spray application, herbal spray application, planning and evaluation. So the program is mainly divided into spray planning and spray evaluation. Now, under the spray planning, we have calibration and timing. Calibration provides information or guides an applicator or a user through sprayer calibration, through the steps involved in sprayer calibration, whereas timing guides a user as in proper timing as related to weather for spray application. So you would make inputs of expected weather parameters, and then it will give you an idea whether it is suitable for spray application or not suitable. If you click on calibration, you have three major steps in sprayer calibration. First is speed calculation or speed determination. So clicking on this button will give you a screen for entering appropriate inputs to determine the speed. This button will take you to steps to select nozzle, appropriate nozzle for your spray application. And then this button will take you to or provide you inputs for obtaining the sprayer output and also guidance in doing so. Under the speed calculation, there are two methods that are being considered here. We have a known distance method, in which case the speed is determined by running the sprayer across a known distance and then measuring the time that it takes to run that distance, and then putting in the travel distance and the time spent, and this will give you, when you click on calculate, it will give you the value. We have also the tree pass method, which can be used for the same. Then under select nozzles, we also have different inputs required to help you select nozzles as would be done when using a nozzle catalog from the manufacturer. This particular version of CitrusSprayEx, which is the earlier version, and we are looking to improve this version with a greater capability. This current version has nozzles, only disc and core nozzles from T-Jet, And in going forward, we would be expanding this to cover several nozzles, several of the popular nozzles used for air blast sprayer spray applications. The calculate output also has various methods that can be used to determine the output, that is the flow rate from a sprayer. And these are mainly the main steps involved in sprayer calibration. I would be going through that. I would be addressing spray calibration in a different video, but this is just to give you an overview of what is entailed in the CitrusSprayEx expert system. Under timing, we have 3 main weather parameters, and then also a determination whether rain is expected within 2 hours after spraying or not. And that would also be used in making further determination. So this is what is entailed in this spray planning part. And then under the spray evaluation, this is used to determine what the output would be, what the outcome would be in a spray application. We have the inputs being application parameters. We have 3 characteristics: orchard condition, weather parameters, and then other parameters that are derived from the other parameters that are the other main parameters. Okay. And again, I would be going through this, specifically running this part of the CitrusSprayEx expert system in a different video, but this is to give you an overview of what is entailed. And down here you have the outputs, which include the canopy deposition, ground fallout, what misses the canopy, and spray drift, and what misses the canopy and also leaves the, or potentially leaves the application area. Now, if you click on About button here, it gives you information about this application. This is seen to be quite an old application, but the engine running it, the model running this expert system, and also the computations that are used in under the spray planning aspect, these are all relevant and are up to date. One thing you will notice is the radio buttons here for metric units and then English units, actually. If you click on, it starts with the metric unit, so you would see that all the units are showing in metric. If you select English units, they would show in English units, and the computations will all be done in English units. So this is all that I have for you for this video, or in this video, and I will be coming back to you with other with specific tutorials for the different parts of this expert system. I hope this tutorial has been useful, and I'll be happy to hear your comments and feedback. Thank you.